how to use the drawing field in DocuSign, allowing you to add a more personalized and interactive touch to your documents. First, head over to the DocuSign website using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button at the top right and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up to get started. After logging in, you'll be taken to the DocuSign dashboard, your central hub for managing documents. From here, navigate to the Template section and select a template that fits your needs. Next, fill in the required document details, such as names, dates, and any other relevant information. Once everything is set, click the Next button to proceed. Now, you'll enter the document editing stage. Look for the Field Options panel and select the Drawing field. Drag and drop it onto your document wherever you want the signer to add their drawing or freehand input. This field allows users to create custom markings, sketches, or even a handwritten style signature, making your document more flexible and interactive. After placing the drawing field, review your document to ensure everything is correctly positioned. Once you're satisfied, your document is ready to be sent for signing. That's it. You now know how to use the drawing field in DocuSign to enhance your documents. Explore more features to make your workflow even more dynamic and efficient.